Rolling? All right, this is Mel Vapor, East Bay Media Center, Saturday, October 31st. So we're here on the rooftop. It's a wonderful day. This is a test so that people can see the type of audio saturation that we're getting here. This is what we're exposed to from 7 in the morning until 6 o'clock sometimes at night. To remind people, especially you, Mr. Nevo, Mr. Young, Mr. Joel, et al., we're a recording facility, and this goes on without any advance notification or concern or consideration for our facility here on our work schedule. This is 10 o'clock in the morning on a Saturday, and this is unbearable, okay? Yeah, so just keep it up, boys. You just keep it up, and you keep interrupting our business. October 31st at approximately 10:15 in the morning. This is to give an indication as to kind of the noise pollution that occurs with the Stonefire project on the corner of Addison and Millview Street in downtown Berkeley. Again, we have a full crew. We have three Caterpillars in progress working here, approximately maybe 10 to 15 feet away from our facility. This is the kind of noise pollution that we are exposed to on a daily basis from 7 a.m. until 3:30, sometimes 4:30 and 5:30 in the afternoon.